Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karika if this is your first time here. So in today's video I created this really sultry, sexy date night makeup look. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, make sure that you keep on watching. Also, I just want to let you guys know that I do upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you tap that notification button and also hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I do post. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, like I said, keep watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a date night makeup look, and I'm going to be taking the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette, and I'm just going to use the colors that are already in this palette. I'm going to keep it simple, keep it to one palette, and yeah, so I'm going to do like a little dark vampy date night. I'm trying to think, like, do I want to do a bold lip? Do I want to do a nude lip? I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna see as this makeup video, like, once you start doing your makeup, things just start to change, but we're gonna see how this is gonna work. So I'm gonna start off, of course, by priming my eyelids using some concealer. So I'm gonna start off with this orange shade. It's called Lunar Eclipse. Looks like this. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here as my transition. Next, I'm going to be going into, it's like a reddish brown shade. This shade right here, what is this called? Storm Dust. I'm going to be taking that as my second transition. Next, I'm going to be taking this dark glittery shade. It's called Dark Matter. I'm actually not sure if this is like a dark purple or a black. I'm thinking that it's more like I'm not sure. I think it's more of a dark purple, but I'm going to be packing that all over my lid. And I am going to wet my brush to apply this shadow. Now I'm going to go back in with the dark brownish reddish shade, and I'm just going to deepen that part up right where I put the black. I'm sorry, I guess this is not really a black. This is more like a blackish purple. Like, it's really kind of hard to describe this shade. It's not black and it's not all the way purple. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, let's go ahead and move on to the face. So for primer, I'm going to be taking the Benefit the Professional Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and this is in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. And I'm just going to be taking a flat brush to apply this foundation, and then I'm going to what am I gonna do? Use a beauty sponge to dab it in. With my damp sponge, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this foundation in. For concealer, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and this is in the shade Tan. I'm going to set my concealer with the K-Lux Cosmetics Translucent Powder. While this powder is baking, I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm going to be using my Pure Sculptor contour palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here to contour. I'm going to go ahead and blush, and for blush I'm going to be using my Alamar Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to do like a mixture. I'm going to be taking this one and this one. I'm going to take these two for blush. I'm going to apply some mascara to go ahead and prep for false lashes. Actually, I totally forgot that I need to do my under eye. So let me go back into my palette. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have my lashes on, let's go ahead and move on to the lips. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Shayla X ColourPop lip pencil, and this is in BFF 4. I'm going to be taking this, it's by Beauty Creations, this shade right here. It's called Kiss Me. And I'm just going to be putting a little bit of this on my bottom lip. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.